Hello! As you are well aware, coronavirus is very much a thing in our societies across the world. So what I want to do in this little video lesson is talk to you about what you should be doing while this is all happening, right? First thing I want to talk about is the closure of some test centers. Just be aware that some test centers are already closed. Please go to the official websites like the IELTS website or the Pearson PTE website or the OET website to check. Please don't listen to rumors on Facebook or anything like that. Just go to the official websites to get updates on testing center closures, okay? Now, if your local testing center does in fact close, I'm guessing that what they're going to do is just push everybody back. This has a few repercussions. One thing you need to think about is that there will be potentially long wait times for you to take your next test. So if you're already booked in, you should be okay. But if you're not, then it's going to be pushed out. And this means that you really have one chance to do well on your test. Well, not really, but certainly if you don't want to wait a long time, you want to do well the first time round, the next time you take the test. This leads me to the importance of preparation during this period. So obviously you should be preparing online rather than going to schools because, well, you can't catch the virus while you're sitting in your own house as opposed to in a classroom. What we're doing at E2 Language during this time is giving you $15 off. It's a voucher across all packages and all tests. And what we're also doing is extending the duration of the online course. For example, the Express course is currently 3 months, but we're going to extend that out to 6 months, okay? The other thing that we're doing is we're going to make e2school.com completely free during this period. That is, if you go to www.e2school.com to boost your general English skills, your pronunciation and grammar and whatnot, it's going to be 100% free. Anyway, so there are my updates. My recommendation to you is during this period, don't freak out. Spend your time wisely. Don't watch Netflix too much. Instead, do some good preparation so the next time you do take your test, you will get the scores you need. Cool bananas. My name is Jay. I'll see you soon.